Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you all are fine. I think you are enjoying the animation journey on Canva. Today we will learn new text animation. Let's start our video. As usual, I request you to subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Okay guys, let's start video. Click over there. Select the dimension 1920 by 1080. As you see from the start of the video, we put a video inside the text, and I will explain here how we can place video in a text, and you can set outro or intro with these text effects. Go to elements, uh, take a frames, we have to select the alphabetical frame, scroll down. Hmm, okay, I have selected. Set the letter equally. Little bit increase the space. Now the second step is go to elements and color slash. Go to videos. Here is a color splash video. You can select a different videos for each letter or single video for each letter. Uh, I will select this video for all the letter one by one. Now double click on each letter and adjust the video on different dimension. Mm, like this. Mm, change the background to black. Now see the final result. This is the final result of our tutorial. Hope you like the video and apply this text effect to your videos, and it will enhance your video. If you want to learn more about Canva animation, connect with me, subscribe my channel and like my videos. Allah Hafiz till my next video.